A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal development, former President Donald Trump has emerged victorious from a New York appeals court ruling that has overturned a staggering $500 million civil fraud penalty originally imposed on him. This ruling comes as a relief for Trump, who has faced a series of legal challenges since leaving the presidency. The New York Appellate Division determined that the financial penalty, which was initially levied by New York Attorney General Letitia James, was excessive and in violation of the Eighth Amendment, which prohibits excessive fines. While the court's decision wipes away the hefty financial burden, it does not exonerate Trump from the underlying allegations of fraud. The judges upheld the finding that Trump and his company had engaged in fraudulent practices, specifically exaggerating the value of assets over many years. Legal experts have described this ruling as a remarkable win for Trump, while simultaneously marking a setback for Attorney General James, who has been a vocal critic of the former president. Trump's legal team celebrated the court's decision, with his former attorney Alina Habba calling it a resounding victory. However, the legal saga is far from over, as the case will continue through further appeals. Trump took to social media platform Truth Social to declare a total victory, criticizing the original ruling and the Attorney General's motives. He characterized the case as a politically motivated witch hunt aimed at undermining his business and political career. The ruling also imposes restrictions on Trump's ability to conduct business in New York, as the court upheld injunctive relief that limits his and his son's corporate leadership roles for a specified period. Attorney General James expressed her intent to appeal the ruling, emphasizing that the court affirmed the findings of fraud against Trump and his company. She reiterated her commitment to protecting the rights and interests of New Yorkers, stating that the court's decision should not overshadow the fact that Trump has been found liable for fraud. The case has drawn significant media attention and public interest, particularly as Trump gears up for another presidential campaign. The ruling is likely to have implications not only for Trump's business dealings, but also for his political aspirations as he navigates the complexities of his legal challenges while campaigning for the presidency. As the situation evolves, many are left to ponder whether this legal victory will bolster Trump's image or if the fraud ruling will continue to loom over him as he seeks to regain the White House. With the legal battles continuing to unfold, both Trump and James are preparing for the next steps in this high-profile case, which is set to be closely watched by political analysts and the public alike. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.